Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these quartz point and hoop earrings. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach our point to the largest hoop, and to do that we're going to use these jump rings. So the first thing that you want to do is take a pair of pliers, and you want to find where it opens, and you want to put a pair of pliers on one side of where it opens and your pliers on the other side. So to open jump rings, you just want to gently twist them open. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add the quartz on, and then I'm going to attach it to the hoop. I'm going to take my pair of pliers, and I'm gently going to twist those back together. And then what I'm going to do is do the same thing with another one. You can definitely use one if you just want to use one, but I like the idea for safety of them staying attached and just the way that it looks. I'm going to add 2 jump rings. And gently close those together. And see, it's just kind of a nicer look when you have 2 together, I think. So then we're going to do the same thing at the top. We're going to use 2 jump rings to attach our ear wire. So I'm going to find where that opens up. I'm going to put a pair of pliers on one side and a pair on the other, and I'm going to gently twist it open. I'm going to attach my hoops and my ear wire. And then I'm going to gently close it back together. And then the same thing with the last jump ring. So we've got 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. I think it just looks a little bit more finished. So there you go. There are the hoop and quartz earrings. All the supplies can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.